Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Alex Delgado Forever. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to install an Air Wick plug-in freshener. So, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back. So, to start off, we have an empty plug-in. So this is an empty bottle. So if you need to know how to take it out, you could just do it. You can just try to jiggle it out like this. Like that. And then you have a, this is a Hawaii Exotic Papaya scented kind of bottle. So all you gotta do is take out the lid like this. And then there's a little nozzle right there. You just insert it in here. You gotta see this rounded part here in the back. This is where it goes. So like this. And that's how you insert a Air Wick plug-in freshener. Now you just plug it in and then your room will smell nice. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any of my other videos. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at AlexDelgado780. And thank you so much for watching everyone, and have a good time. Bye.